Hello, welcome to YouTube channel Dream Goes On. In this video, we want to talk about what does it mean when you dream a yellow snake, and after that we will see some of the most common scenario about dreaming yellow snakes. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Dream Goes On. The relationship between humans and snakes is a complex and often contradictory one. Snakes have been revered as symbols of wisdom, transformation, and healing in many cultures throughout history. However, they are also feared for their venomous bites and their ability to kill. In the context of dreaming of a yellow snake, these conflicting associations can lead to a variety of interpretation. On the one hand, the yellow color of the snake may represent positive qualities such as creativity, energy, and intuition. On the other hand, the snake itself may represent negative qualities such as danger, deceit, or betrayal. Ultimately, the meaning of a dream about a yellow snake will depend on the individual's personal association with snakes and the specific context of the dream. Yellow snakes are often associated with the sun, which is a symbol of knowledge and understanding. Dreaming of a yellow snake may suggest that you are tapping into your inner wisdom and intuition. Snakes are also associated with transformation and change. Dreaming of a yellow snake may indicate that you are going through a period of personal transformation or growth. Yellow snakes are also associated with creativity and energy. Dreaming of a yellow snake may suggest that you are feeling creativity and energized. Yellow snakes can also be seen as a symbol of warning or danger. Dreaming of a yellow snake may be a reminder to be cautious or to avoid taking unnecessary risks. Yellow snakes can also represent betrayal or deceit. Dreaming of a yellow snake may be a warning about someone who is not who they seem to be. Yellow is often associated with the intellect. A yellow snake might symbolize the need to tap in your intellectual abilities to overcome a challenge. Depending on your personal feelings toward snakes, a yellow snake could represent fear or anxiety. The yellow color might intensify these emotions, or it could suggest a need to confront and overcome fears. In the following, we will see some of the most common scenarios about dreaming yellow snakes that people normally see. Imagine you're walking through a jungle when you come across a massive yellow snake. It's slithering around, its scales shimmering in the sunlight. This dream could mean that you're about to embark on a significant life change or transformation. It could be something positive like a new job or a new relationship, or it could be something more challenging like a major life decision or a change in lifestyle. Dreaming bitten by a yellow snake could be a sign that you are about to face some negativity or adversity in your waking life. It could be a betrayal from a friend or a setback in your career. But don't worry, these challenges are just part of life's journey, and they can ultimately lead to growth and strength. Dreaming of killing a yellow snake. When you are facing a yellow snake head on and you're not afraid to take it down, This dream is a symbol of your courage and your ability to overcome obstacles. It means that you're not afraid to face your fears and fight for that you want. Dreaming a yellow snake chasing you could be a sign that you are avoiding something in your waking life. It could be a problem you're trying to ignore, a decision you're putting off, or a fear you're trying to suppress. But running away from your problems won't make them go away. It's time to face them head on. Dreaming a long yellow snake could be a sign for major life change like getting married or having a child, or it could be a gradual transformation like a change in your career or personal beliefs. Dreaming a light yellow snake could be a sign that you're starting to see the world in a more positive light. You're opening yourself up to new possibilities and embracing new experiences. Dreaming a yellow python snake could be a sign that you are feeling constricted and controlled in this dream, like the yellow python is squeezing the life out of you. This could be a symbol of feeling trapped in a situation or relationship that's no longer serving you. It's time to break free from these limitations and reclaim your power. There are other factors in the field of yellow snake dream interpretation that you should pay attention to. For example, how did you feel when you saw the big yellow snake? Were you scared, excited, or curious? Your feeling can offer clues about the meaning of the dream. Where did you see the big yellow snake? Was it in your home, in nature, or somewhere else? The setting can also offer clues about the meaning of the dream. Were there any other details in the dream that you remember? These details can also be important for interpretation. It's important to remember that dreams are personal and often symbolic. The best way to interpret a dream is to consider all of the factors mentioned above and to think about what the dream might mean to you personally. Thank you for watching this interpretation. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and like the video. Until next time.